What's the deal, YouTube? Back again with another video. This time, we're going to be modding the Morini. So if you caught the first video, or the last video, I mentioned that I wanted to get rid of those huge mirrors that stood up really tall. So that's what we're going to be doing in this video. I got a different style mirror. It is a stealth style mirror. So I'll show you all that in a minute. I got the box here in front of me. I'm going to open it up, show you what all is in the box. I picked them up off Amazon, fairly cheap. I think I spent like 28 bucks for them. And I'll be more than happy to link that down in the description below. So we're going to go ahead and get to opening this box. And first thing tomorrow, I will be putting them on the bike. Alright, so here are the mirrors. Still in the box, super simple design. It just says rear mirror on the box, and then it's got like a little shadow of what the mirrors look like. I've already cut the seal, so we're about to get this opened up. Alright, and see what they look like and what's inside. If I can keep the box open. Alright, so now go ahead and pull one out. And that is the design there of the mirror. Real stealthy. It just bolts on where the other mirror unscrews. It's kind of wrapped in plastic right now, or saran wrap, something like that. I opted for the anti-glare mirrors because I don't want lights glaring in my face, especially at night. And that is the design. And then when you're ready to use the mirror, it should just flip up. I'm not really sure how. There we go. It's a little bit stiff, but it just flips up. It's got a pin that holds it down in place, and that is the design of the mirror. Super simple design. Like I said, it's real stealthy. I really like that. And also in the box we got various hardware that you'll need. Looks like some caps to cover the bolts here. Allen bolts. It comes with the Allen key as well as a couple different sizes. You got a main bolt there, which there should be two of them. Hands in the way. Not sure if the camera can even see it. So yeah, you got the hardware. You got the mirrors. That's it. Super simple. I doubt I'm going to film installing these because it's super simple. You just unscrew the old ones and screw the new ones on. And once I get them put on, then I'll talk about visibility, how they look, and what I think of them. Alright, so here we are. It is the next day, and I have the mirrors installed. I really like the way they look, actually. As far as visibility goes, I see a lot less than what I saw with the OEM mirrors. But they do have a nice stealth sleek design. And you just fold them down, and then they fold back up. And you can adjust forward or backwards just by pushing on it right here. I mean, overall, I like them though. I like them a lot. Let's get a front view of them. I mean, not bad. They're not sticking up, looking like bug antenna. So yeah, the thing about the installation kind of tripped me up a little bit. As you can see right here, there's one silver looking bolt, and over here you have a brass bolt. The brass bolt actually has counter thread, so it threads in backwards. So that is to keep it from coming loose as you're adjusting it. So like as you're adjusting this, it'll kind of keep it tight. Same thing on this side. That's what I'm assuming it's for. Now, these mirrors did not come with instructions. No shadows in the way. The mirrors did not come with instructions, so I just figured it was mirrors, you know. Couldn't be that hard. But yeah, that's them. Alright, so I got the mirrors adjusted. I can see behind me pretty decently right now. I'm going to go ahead and
get rolling here. Yeah, I really like the design of these mirrors. Not sticking up like the ones that I called bug eye mirrors. Now that I took the time to adjust them, I actually can see pretty well out of them. Just got to get adjusted on my seat. Trying to get comfortable here. That wind is cutting up out there. Such a nice day out for a ride. That'll do it for this video, everyone. I appreciate you watching. Like I said, the mirrors are installed now. I do have 2 little caps that I need to put back on there. I'm gonna take care of that. Overall, I'm happy with them. Nice stealth mirror design. There is an option for a bigger mirror that you can get for these. I opted for the small ones. Looking back, I kind of wish I got the bigger ones, but it is what it is. So until the next one, you guys, ride safe.